Hey everyone! Scotiabank has one of the most versatile credit card lineups in Canada. But picking the wrong one can mean leaving hundreds of dollars in rewards on the table. Today, I'm breaking down the big three categories, which is travel, cashback, and no fee, so you can find the perfect match for your wallet. Let's get into it. 1. The Travel Powerhouse Gold Amex and Passport Visa. If you love to travel, Scotiabank has two heavy hitters. The Scotiabank Gold American Express is the points king, earning a massive 6 times Scene Plus points at Sobeys owned grocery stores and 5 times on dining and entertainment. If you want a card accepted everywhere with extra perks, the Passport Visa Infinite is your go-to. It offers 6 free airport lounge passes annually and crucially no foreign transaction fees, saving you 2.5% on every purchase made abroad. 2. The Cashback Specialist. If you prefer cold, hard cash over points, the Scotia Momentum Visa Infinite is consistently ranked as top cashback card in Canada. First, it earns 4% cashback on groceries and recurring bill payments. As per now, you no longer have to wait until November to get your payout. With the Cashback Anytime feature, you can redeem your earnings whenever you hit a $25 balance. It's the ultimate set it and forget it card for families. 3. The no fee and student options. If you're just starting out or hate annual fees, look at the Scene Plus Visa. It has $0 annual fee and is the best way to earn free movies and meals without any overhead costs. It's a favorite for students and newcomers because it's easier to get approved for and still lets you tap into the Scene Plus ecosystem for discounts at places like Home Hardware and Cineplex. 4. How to apply and get approved. So, you can apply directly through the Scotiabank mobile app or website. To speed up approval, have your T4 or a recent pay stub ready, as they may ask for income verification. And that's pretty much it. Whether you want free flights or cash in your pocket, there's a Scotia card that fits. I hope this helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.